Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, a manhunt is on for 4 of 5 prisoners who escaped from the Barnett Street Police Station lockup in St. James early this morning. As you'll hear in this report, one of the 5 prisoners was fatally shot within hours after he escaped during an alleged confrontation with the police.
It's still not clear how the 5 prisoners escaped, but TVJ News learned that the men escaped between 5 and 6 o'clock Saturday morning. The St. James Police immediately launched a manhunt for the men who were in custody for various offenses to include murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, rape, and larceny. Now, sometime after 3, news came that one of the escapees, Edgar Spence, was shot and killed in an alleged confrontation with the police in Flower Hill. He was in custody for possession of a prohibited weapon. 4 of the escapees remain at large. They are Tyrese Brown of Albertown, Trelawney, charged with murder and rape; Tydell Ferguson of Mountain View Greenwood, St. James, charged with the larceny of motor vehicle; Daniel McIntosh of Mount Salem, St. James, charged with possession of a prohibited weapon; and Maurice Belnavis of Norwood, St. James, charged with simple larceny. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of the men is being urged to contact the police, emergency at 119, Crime Stop at 311, the National Intelligence Bureau tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.